Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, September the 24th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you 7 extra puzzles. Lego Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku, 2 JigSaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, the third war is started. Yes, the third war. We have the first war in Ukraine. The second war is Israel against Hamas, and now Israel against Hezbollah. Yes, in Lebanon. Yeah, enough about wars. Alright, the first puzzle is the 3 stars. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. Nine, 3, 1, 9. 9319. Yeah. Okay, let me position the camera. We have not a lot of space here. Come on. Okay. Nine, 3, 1. 9, I believe, not 8. Let me check. 1, 9, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one should be 25, because usually the 3 stars puzzle is 25. This one is 26. Let me zoom this. For 2 stars puzzle, should be 2 stars. I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let me see. 4, 4, 6, 3, 7. How about here? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have 1 and a 9 in this column. No 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6, 6. Then 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. Then let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 there. And I need a 4. Come on. Need a, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot it down. Right. We have a pair, the 9 and the 6 in the first row, the 9 and the 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in the third row for number 1. 1, 1. Need an 8 here. And I need... Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. We have 2, 3, and a 7 in this column. No 2, 3, and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2, 3, 7 goes in those 3 boxes. And we have 3 here in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and an 8. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8. Then, need a 5 here. We have a pair, the 3 and a 5 in this row, the 3 and a 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3, 2. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those. The 1, 9, 7. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left. The 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. The only place left. The 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Here's 6 there, okay. 5. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. And 4 here. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in the last column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be 8. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column. First column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the second column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Need a 1 here, 2, 3, need a 4, yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, and look, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. One box left now in this third column for number the 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing here. 4, 4, 8, 8. And I need 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So we have 2 numbers left in this column, the 7 and the 2, 7 and 2. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, seems like it's not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Seems like it's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.